this video will show you how we spent 24 hours on Pulaukenawa in Sumbawa for Christmas completely alone. This untouched island is known for its famous hill with stunning panoramic views. The water was so crystal clear we didn't even need snorkeling masks. There was no place to book a stay, but no worries, we had our one and only portable house. But first, let's recap. This is Uggy, this is Tokyo, and I'm Klo. We're three travelers with zero plans. We came to Lombok, specifically Tetebatu, hoping for some calmer activities. But somehow, we always end up in a mess. I'm now guessing it's mostly us. So to avoid causing trouble for anyone else, we decided to spend Christmas for 24 hours alone.
Don't forget us, yeah?
Yeah.
Christmas section.
Let's see what you're gonna take with us.
Yes, please.
Good morning from Lombok. Yes, we're still on this island and we need to grab some snacks for our Christmas dinner before heading to Sumbawa Island.
We packed different this time.
Yeah, we left half of our stuff here. We're going with this is a new design. No more books, and we have the chairs and the tent.
Jangan kau sembunyi, tampakkanlah diri.
Masya Allah.
Malam semakin kelam, tanpa kau sang rembulan. Bintang sedih berbulan, tanpa kau sang rembulan. Bulan, di mana kau ini? Jangan kau temui, tampakkanlah diri.
From the map I saw already.
You're crazy. I bet she's gonna fall. Bravo! Gonna have a sunset. Oh my god.
I'm literally driving on a set.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Cool. Good morning from Sumbawa. I can barely open my eyes. What a beautiful morning to wake up to. It feels like the more you hop to the neighboring islands, the prettier it gets. Anyway, it's time for a next level adventure. Ta-da! It's okay. We've just checked out from this nice stay and we're going to celebrate Christmas! Woo! on an island.
Alone.
Oh! It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Hit the kill.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Merry Christmas! You will pick us up tomorrow, yeah? Okay?
Okay.
Don't forget us, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Bye! You sure we're doing the right thing? Oh no, he's far. Of course we're doing the right thing, but some things just don't seem right for us. Right, from this side it looks like a very good weather, but I can see some clouds
I
there.
think we have like 20 minutes to set up our camping place.
That's exactly Christmas.
Okay, tent first, chairs first.
Okay. Here?
Did you hit your head?
No, my ear. You get it.
Careful.
No, not with this, with the tent. Wow. Okay, round one. Set up the tent first so everything stays dry if it rains. Et voila. And we were able to build a tent before these lovely clouds. Tokyo! Tokyo! Look, look, look! We're prepared to a point that if it rains on us, we're gonna be swimming.
Just need parmesan now.
Parmesan. Let's see what's up there on that hill. You're walking the same way. Wow, that's already a view. Hike barefoot, new level, unlocked. This hill wasn't hard to climb as long as it wasn't raining. After that, we took a walk around the island. You'll see some places, but they seem either abandoned or only open during the dry season. I'm not sure.
We're looking for decorations. Our Christmas table. Oh, there is a pearl.
Okay. But not the final result yet. Christmas gift. He licked it.
You want? You want your Christmas gift?
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
We're gonna enjoy our Christmas night and see you in the morning. Good night, salamat malam. Whoa, what a night. We literally danced under the stars and played Christmas music all night.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, my
Okay, ready?
Ready.
One.
Woo! Our bûche de Noël.
Tell me how it is. It's like a cake. It's like a brownie, right?
Must have. Super, super, super good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the sponge name. 7, 8.
Make a new brand.
7, 8.
It means 78% it washes your things.
No, it was 100%.
Okay, guess it's time for packing everything before it rains again. And the boat is gonna pick us up later on. So we probably should be ready. I still want to swim before leaving. I'm gonna go.
Come on, Santa.
I can't film at the same time. And that's how we charge our electronics. Ta-da!
Lay me in the water, let me touch you. Hold on to me. Pour out of me.
Oh my god! That's a good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Oh my god! Good boy! Good boy! I can't! It's so cute!
They be rolling the hay.
Woohoo! We survived. And we're ready for new adventures. Whoa, I'm surprised nothing really messy happened this time. Here's the secret. For once, we actually wished it rained, just to feel more like Christmas. But what we had still felt just as special. You made me good brushing, you know. And now it's time to continue our trip around Sumbawa, because we ended 2024 with whale sharks. But first, Tokyo needed to say his last goodbye to his favorite goat. Tokyo will not do anything. We can finally eat our decoration.
Okay.